Put sliced bread in boiling water, perfect for your coffee. In a pan with 100 milliliters boiling water, add about 5 to 6 slices of bread. Stir until the slices dissolve completely, forming a dough. Transfer to another container and let the dough cool down. With oiled hands, take a small amount and shape it into a donut. Repeat with the rest of the dough, then fry in hot oil. Remove and drain on a paper towel. Dip in melted chocolate and sprinkles. Now enjoy your treat. Look how amazing it looks. Make it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, another quick recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs to you all. See you next time, thanks.